Hi guys, welcome to Tech Club YouTube video channels. So today we are going to discuss plugin list for Ionic capacitor. So far we have seen few plugins that is already supported by capacitor. So few of them are device, file system, geolocation, keyboard, accessibility, app, browser, camera and clipboard. We have seen many of the plugin in existing videos, previous videos, and few of them is working fine. For example, accessibility, app, browser, camera, geolocation, device, everything is working fine, but we face some issues with the file system while creating folders, files, whatever it is. And keyboard sometimes it's not opening and it's idle, and we couldn't able to parallelly use the keyboard and geolocation plugins. We have some issues, so we will wait until it get mature in future version. So as I told, this is alpha version only, so we have to wait till it get matured. Then today we will move further with the other plugins that is supported by capacitor plugins. The other plugins are models, network, photo, share, splash screen. So I don't know whether all plugins will work today or not, so we will see how it's working. So I already took build a application in my device, so I will launch now. Where is that? Sorry, I have to take new one. Give me some second. Yeah, Samsung, run it. So before that we will see which one models. So we see the source code, how it is easy, how they developed. Model, where is the file? Models, show alert, show prompt, show action, native alert, native control, like that. In a web page we have we frequently use to show some alert to the users, and sometimes we use to get some confirmation from them whether they accept, or in the form of buttons, okay, cancel, or in the form of text. So in this situation we will use this model. So we see plugins, action sheet, option style, so they are additional parameter they are passing. Plugin model, prompt, yeah, see, show actions, that is native, I think so. Confirm, these are default web app prompts. Alert, so we say it's real implementation on system. Build successful, it's installing. Sorry, yeah, Vice is playing some ad. Okay, installing apks. Yeah, it's installed, it's going to launch in few seconds. Updating instant run state. Yeah, it's launched. Yeah, we see model, what happened? Yes, on screen issues. Okay, models. So yeah, we have a lot of options: alert, confirm, prompt, show actions, native alert, native confirm, again native prompt. That's it. So we see basic alert one. Yeah, this is, so style and everything they have implemented. It looks like an error, very beautiful. This is an error. That's it. So then confirm. Oh, this is a okay and cancel based, so I'm just pressing cancel, and whenever we do some action it will return some promise. So if you do inspect the device, you will get it. You can see here. So see what the object we have clicked, so everything will come. Then prompt, yeah, it will ask some input kind of, so we can type whatever it is. So prompts is working, model is working perfectly, and native confirm, yeah, so almost looks similar to existing prompt confirm only, so everything looks good. So model is working, the plugin is very perfect, matured enough now for our usage. Then we go for next plugin, network. Okay, I don't know how it will work. Let's see. network.ts plugins network, add a listener, network status change, end listen, get status, plugin get status, network status. Okay, let's try. Network, we have get status, start listen, end listen. That means start listen is a kind of observable or event oriented. When our status is changing from one level to another in the network, then we will get the information, so we don't need to do the get status again and again. So it's done. We check whether we see here, this is a network status. So connected is a true, that means internet connected. The connection type Wi-Fi, so my mobile is connected through Wi-Fi only as of now. So you can see here Wi-Fi. I don't have SIM in this system, so I can't able to make any call. Okay, so you can see even though there is no SIM, it's showing network as some points. Okay, so then we go for start listen. What's this doing? Add this object network plugin ID. So if we disconnect any network, so you will get information. So I'm going to disconnect Wi-Fi. Connected false. See, we received few values, connected false. You can see here. Before listening it was connected true, now it is changed to false because I have disconnected. Now if I go into connect it again, we see the result. Now I'm going to connect it. Yeah, you can see we receive new values connected to. That's awesome, it's working fine. And we'll move to next one is photo. So I don't know how much they have implemented and what are the functionality they are giving. Let's see what are the functionality they have as of now. Photos.html. Okay, let's see the UI, then we go back to the code. Photos, open menu. I think I added this open menu for menu, toggle the menu, so that's not implementation of photos. Load albums, create album, load all, load in favorites, save photo. Let's see, let's go to load albums. What's happening? What's up? Native callback get albums options. Let's load share true. I'm not sure whether it's not working, so because I'm not getting any albums here, because default my mobile having camera album, but it's not showing anything right now. So if you see my mobile, if we go to gallery, see I have albums, nothing is opening. So let's see, load album is not working. Create album, let's create some Ionic. Okay. Let's go to again gallery, album. Sorry, nothing is coming, so I don't know how they implemented, and we will wait. So I think we can move to other section instead of doing trial and error here. But in status, we are photo create album, everything showing as information, but nothing is happening in the backend. Okay, let's move to next plugin. Plugin is share. Okay, this share plugin used to, suppose if we want to share information from one application to another. For example, in WhatsApp, we are sharing images to another user, or from album to sharing files to email or other application like that. To perform that operation, we use that one. So we do that. Show sharing. Wow, super. Can you see this? So what are the available options, or what are the application support sharing? So it will show here, and also in different tab. So if you swipe left, you see different one. So which one we can choose as of now? Okay, let's choose messages. This is new phone, I don't have much things, so take, yeah, see. So this is shared. So if you see the code, so it has some properties, title and text and URL and a dialog title. So if you want to pass this one, you can do that one. So dialog title, when you suppose Discord, when you sharing, so it will ask you, it will show the title, what title you want to show here. Once you choose, I want to share with memo, so here memo is a title, tech grab is a title, then your information and your URLs if you want to pass anything, whatever it is. So this is how it's working, sharing. So sharing also working good, so I am pretty happy with that plugins. Then splash screen. Okay, actually we are almost end of the session, so we move to, where is the screen? Here we go. Share splash screen. So we have two options, splash show and splash auto fade. Okay, in splash show it will show and will not hide automatically, we have to do something to hide that. Whereas in splash auto fade, so once splash screen is shown, it hide automatically after few seconds. So we try with splash show. See, everything showing. This is our capacitor splash screen image. See the fade. The animation is added to the splash screen, not auto fade. When splash screen, it's not, animation is not added. So almost we done. Okay, what else we have? Last session we faced issue with the keyboard. Let's see whether it's working or not. No lag, sorry. Geolocation, file system. That's it guys, almost we have done, and we have seen many of the plugins are very useful and working fine without any issues. So thanks to capacitor Ionic team, so they have done great job, and also we can expect it will get matured in few of months or couple of months. So we will wait and watch what update they are giving. Thank you guys, please subscribe and for further videos regarding technically for Ionic teams and Ionic related projects. Thank you so much, thanks a lot for your support.